Good morning, just woke up. We gotta get ready for leaving this place, unfortunately, because the sun is finally here. No? Where is it? It's we have to clean up now, and we're doing some creative breakfast. Everything we didn't eat.
A big buffet.
A big buffet. A big buffet. Let's have a buffet or a buffet. It's up to you. I don't feel like cleaning. So the good thing about endings, except for the cleaning part, is that it's always a new beginning just around the corner.
Goodbye, sweet friends. We enjoyed it as hell. See you next time. Traveling in long pants all the way for the cold weather in Denmark. It's just too hot, man. We're looking for the bus. Not sure where it is. This kind of like scouting going on here. So man, did you enjoy this trip?
It's been a pleasant trip.
Like, what was the best thing? The music video, the naked ladies that we never saw? Or we didn't record it?
You wouldn't like it.
No.
Shooting the video was very fun because we had this good chemistry, just worked together.
Do you have a favorite takeaway from this? Like, you usually don't do stuff like this?
I started out thinking, nah, I'm not gonna go. But somehow I had this feeling, just saying, just do it. Just did it.
We both did it.
Yeah.
Not together. That would be disgusting. But we did it.
What?
When you get off the bus and you find out that you're in the wrong terminal and you have to take another bus and you're already late, it's not a great moment, is it? Well, it's an adventure. Dude, there's a Starbucks. You couldn't resist. We're on our way, by the way. We never say that. I never say that. We're sweating in this glass sauna, but it's good because we get a little bit tan. Oh no, you can't do that. Okay, so we're relaxing in the airport in Brussels right now, waiting for the connecting flight to Copenhagen. Instead of buying a candy bar or like a soda, you can just buy some electronics. It's kind of clever. You have to buy gifts for the girlfriend too. So important. We're back in Copenhagen, back home. It's really cold here. One thing I think is really strange being back in Copenhagen is I don't care too much about people looking at me when I'm doing these things because I have this big camera in front of me. Everyone's looking and they're kind of pointing. Maybe they're not used to vlogging that much here in Copenhagen. That's why I'm doing it. Starbucks. So now I ordered burgers. Awesome. Okay guys, that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button. And if you didn't like this video, hit something else, get those aggressions out. And if you want to see more like this and more of me, hit the subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.
Choose